Bonjour, je m'appelle Sniti, je suis le professeur de français et aujourd'hui nous apprenons des solutions de cahier d'exercice. So today we are going to start with the workbook solutions of lesson 2, leçon de comptons ensemble. That means let us count together. So here we are at the question number 1, that is retrouver les nombres. That means retrieve the number. What we need to do in this question is, here are jumbled words that are given to us. We need to unjumble them to guess the correct number. So first we have is ORQTUAEZ, that forms 14. That means 14. Then we have is the second one, that is OUZDE, which is 12. 12 is 12. Then we have is the third one, that is PTES, which is set. Set means 7. Then we have is the fourth part, that is XDI-EUNF, which forms these nerve, which is 19. Now let us move on to the next question, that is question number 2, ajoutez-les et écrivez en lettres. That means add them and write in letters. So do remember, plus means plus and égale means equal to. So first we have is 10 plus 3 égale, that means 10 plus 3 equals to 13, which is 13. Then we have is the next one, that is 9 plus 7, that means 9 plus 7 equals to 16, which is 16. Then we have is the fourth one, that is 8 plus 3 égale, which means 8 plus 3 equals to, well, the answer is 11, which is 11. 8 is 8 and 3 is 3. Then we have is the fourth one, that is 10 plus 7 égale, that means 10 plus 7 equals to 17, that means 17. So here we are at the question number 3, that is complétez avec les nombres. That means complete using the numbers. In this question we need to write the numbers coming before and after the number that is given to us. So the first one is 18, but do remember avant means before and après means after. 18, it means 18, and before it 17 comes and after 19. So that is 17 et 19. Then we have is 4, which is 4. So before it 3 comes and after it 5. So 3 is 5. Then we have is 13, which is 13, and that is 12 et 14. So in this 12 means 12 and 14 means 14. Then we have is 1. 1 means 1. 0 et 2. 0 means 0 and 2 means 2. So here we are at the question number 4, that is écrivez en français, that means write in French. So by seeing the image we can see that in this we need to write the number of things in French. First we have the example, which is deux lampes. It means 2 lamps. If we see to the part 1, then here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 boys, which is 4 garçons. Then we have here are cups. So the number of cups are 7. So there are 7 cups, 7 tasses. If we see to lunch boxes and count them, then there are 10 boîtes à lunch. That means 10 lunch boxes. And at last we have bananas, and by counting them we can see there are 13 bananas, which are 13 bananes. So that was all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.